Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy. Do you also have problems learning a new language and just not making any progress? Then let's change that right now. I've already helped thousands to learn a new language over the last years. And I've made it my life's mission to make language learning easier and more effective. And since I unfortunately can only help a limited number of students in person, I decided to create a small webinar which will give you great advice on how to be really successful. My webinar consists of 4 short videos. In the first video, I'll show you what the real secrets of language learning are. And so this way, you don't run anymore from one disappointment to the next one. In the second video, I'll activate your superpowers so that you can finally put an end to forgetting vocabulary and grammar rules. In the third video, I'll explain that you don't need talent to learn languages and how to stay motivated during the whole learning process. And in our last video, everything comes together. And there will be the holy grail of language learning. And it's all free, without any commitment. Just click on the link in the description and start straight away with the first video. And always remember, with every new language you speak, you live a new life. I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and I would be more than happy to see you again in my webinar. Thank you very much, and bye bye.